Within VDC, I want to revisit an announcement that we made back in July, our first-to-market launch of Veeam Data Cloud powered by Microsoft 365 Backup Storage. This joint partnership with Microsoft has empowered our customers to quickly back up and recover large volumes of Microsoft 365 data with no throttling, protecting them against ransomware, cyber attacks, and other data loss scenarios. We are continuing to innovate in this space to provide a customer's choice. With Veeam Data Cloud's new Flex, Express, and Premium offerings, we will now allow customers to get the best of all worlds, the speed and scale of Microsoft 365 backup storage, plus the control and flexibility of Veeam Data Cloud, all within one seamless and all-inclusive backup service. Our pace of innovation is going to continue to accelerate with the protection of more workloads in VDC, and we want you to be a part of that prioritization. So please fill out the poll and let us know what workload you would like to see next in VDC.